Rochelle, and today we're going to help you locate books using our new catalog.
Let's get started at cincinnatilibrary.org. The first thing you'll want to do is log into your account located at the top right corner using your library card and PIN. Then you can easily place holds or check out books from our e-branch with just a few clicks. Let's search for Boy in the Black Suit by Jason Reynolds as an example. I'm going to do a keyword search, but you can also look by title, author, or subject. As you can see, this title is available in several formats, including book, ebook, or streaming audiobook. The print book is currently available for checkout. You can click on View Details to see what locations have the item in stock. If you'd like to learn more about the book, click on the format itself to open up the detailed page. Here, you'll see a summary of the book, reviews from professional publications, as well as other readers. If you'd like, you can also see similar books under the Explore Further title, or you can click on More from Novelist, and it will show you additional titles. When you're ready to check out your book, click on Place a Hold button and choose your location of library where you would like the book to be sent. If you're interested in the ebook, you can see that it is very popular right now, and so all of our titles are currently checked out. If you would like to add your name to the waiting list, simply click the Request This Download button to place your hold. You'll receive a notice via your email when the ebook is ready for checkout. The audiobook is also available from two of our eBranch platforms. You can use the Checkout Now button to borrow and download the audiobook from our Overdrive service, or you can click on the Checkout Now from Hoopla in order to check out your item. Items are always available on Hoopla with no waiting list. Thank you for watching and happy reading.